The third thing, miracles requires faith and action. And we see that Naaman had to do it anyway, against his feelings, but he just did it. He acted on it. And it took 7 times, and I'm sure 4 times leprosy. 5 times, still leprosy. 6 times, still leprosy. 7 times, what? Wow! He had the skin of a baby. Radical amazement. It doesn't matter how many times you tithe. Trust God. It doesn't matter how many times you pray. Praise God anyhow. Your miracle is not your doing, it's His doing. You know how nice it is to have a conversation with God and you remind Him? You remind Him of His word. Because then I get up and I just know it's going to be okay.